Artificial intelligence is everywhere. It's changing how we live, work, and travel. AI is making our lives easier and more efficient. One area where AI is making a big impact is aviation. AI is being used to improve many aspects of air travel, including safety, efficiency, and cost. In the future, AI will play an even bigger role in aviation. We can expect to see even more innovative uses of AI. These advancements will continue to revolutionize the way we fly. AI is already being used in many ways in aviation. One of the most well-known examples is autopilot systems. Autopilot uses AI to control the plane during flight. This reduces the workload of pilots and makes flying safer. Another important application of AI is predictive maintenance. AI can be used to predict when an aircraft needs maintenance. This helps airlines to avoid costly delays and ensures that planes are always in top condition. AI algorithms can analyze data from sensors to identify potential issues before they become major problems. AI is also used to optimize air traffic control. By analyzing data such as weather patterns and flight schedules, AI can help to reduce congestion and improve efficiency. This results in shorter flight times and less fuel consumption. AI is making flying safer in several ways. By automating tasks and providing pilots with better information, AI can help to reduce human error. AI systems can also detect and respond to potential problems more quickly than humans. AI is also making flying more efficient. Please subscribe to this channel for more AI-engaging video. This leads to lower costs for airlines, which can be passed on to passengers through lower fares. For example, AI-powered autopilot systems can optimize flight paths to reduce fuel consumption. AI can also help to improve the passenger experience. For example, some airlines are already using AI-powered chatbots to provide customer service. AI can also be used to personalize the in-flight experience. AI can help airlines to provide better recommendations for entertainment and dining options. The future of AI in aviation is incredibly exciting. One of the most talked about possibilities is fully autonomous flights. While it is still early days, AI has the potential to revolutionize air travel by enabling planes to fly without human pilots. This would make flying even safer and more efficient. AI will also play a major role in the development of advanced air traffic control systems. These systems will be able to handle the increasing volume of air traffic more efficiently. These systems will make flying safer and help to reduce delays. Another area where AI is likely to have a big impact is in the design and development of new aircraft. By using AI to simulate different designs, engineers can create planes that are safer, more efficient, and more environmentally friendly. AI will continue to revolutionize the aviation industry in the years to come. From improving safety to enhancing the passenger experience, AI has the potential to make flying safer, more efficient, and more accessible for everyone.